Hey, I ain't gonna lie though. I like your lips. Yeah.
Yes, you. Thank you. My lips? You see my lip?
Lie though. Wait, how old are y'all?
I'm 16.
Guilty. Look into my eyes. Feel their pain.
I don't know who trying to like. I don't know if it's a competition or anything like that, but I want you. Real shit.
Wait, hold on. I like your neck tattoo. Turn to the side. Oh yeah, I
You like that? Shit. What's your Instagram?
like that. Let me go and get that to you real quick.
All right, cool.
I ain't playing. I want you, and I'ma have you. We'll talk soon.
Yo,
Hi, where you from?
I'm from Philly.
Why do I look like this? What the fuck?
I'm from Philly.
What part?
Shit from the west side.
On the west side? You're not from Philly because nobody say west side.
I don't give a fuck.
What y'all say then? What the fuck?
West.
What? Bruh, I'm new. I'm new. Like, what you expect me to say? West side? What? I'm from the west side.
Shut your
Yo,
Oh my gosh, why are you on this?
you said what?
Why are you on here?
Why?
Why didn't you call me? Like, so you could be on here, but you can't call me?
Ain't nobody trying to hear that bullshit.
My nigga, you don't. I don't have your. You don't even tell me your
Wow.
number.
Think you the real one, real deal, and you on here trying to get some bitches? Let's see how
Honestly,
it
I've been waiting for your ass to since you blocked me. Honestly,
Let's see how it is. Oh, you've been waiting for me, but you could just called me.
you blocked me.
I blocked you. Don't play like that, cause you know what you did.
nigga. What?
Why are we still talking? Why we can't
Why we
just do it
still
right now?
talking?
You know why we
Why
can't
we
do
still
it? Why we
talking?
can't talk on the
Because
phone?
you trying to be on
Why
monkey,
can't we
trying to be a
talk on the
hoe.
phone?
Be how the fuck you know this?
Wait, how old
All
are you?
right, I'm 19.
You're 19. Wait, you drive?
Yeah,
Let me take you out there.
that you take me out.
Hmm.
Boy, stop freaking. Yeah, you're shitting right now.
I'm
Anyways,
shitting, but I'm dead at. Okay.
it's all I've been seeing is talking, but I never seen no action though. Like
Wow, you gonna try to use my words against me? That's cute.
that's
That's cute. That's dead
that's what
ass
it's
cute.
giving.
I wanna fuck some, and I don't give a fuck.
All I see is like
Okay, what's your
talking.
Instagram?
My Instagram wonder
I feel like you're gonna be wasting my time.
why you see that.
I don't know, cause what how you acting? I feel like you're gonna waste my time. But we gonna get to it.
We'll see. We'll see.
Well, you gonna wait. You
I'll
gonna.
give you my number. I don't care. All right,
That's fine.
770.
Damn, you fine as shit though.
You didn't even see me.
Nah, cause I could tell by you. Bro, why you can't show your face, bro? Oh my god.
That brother's starving.
You got piercing. I ain't gonna lie, you sexy as fuck.
You's a freaky ass
I
nigga.
ain't gonna lie though, you gotta show me around though.
Show you around. Can't go nowhere on my house arrest.
You on house arrest? What happened?
It's a long story. Long story.
Shit, you can talk to me.
You right.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta answer. Oh, you look. Oh my god, you look good, bro.
Thank you. Are you a streamer?
No, I'm not a streamer. I swear. I promise you. I swear to God.
Cap.
Oh, okay.
So look, I ain't gonna lie. Wait, how old are you?
What?
How old are you?
I'm 17.
I like that.
I'm out of town. I thought you want my round.
You're not. Your pussy not pink, and you're not, and your booty hole not brown. Stop it.
Um, how you know what my stuff look like?
Cause it's not. It's not true.
Dang, you just gotta come here and tell me I can't even sing a song.
Wait, well, how old are you?
How old are you?
Nigga, I just asked a simple question.
Cause you was being sassy with me. I don't like that.
I'm not sassy, bro.
You was like, you're
Oh, damn.
not.
Oh, my God.
And
Can you show your face, bro? I am deeply apologize. I deeply apologize. I swear.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Wait, let me ask you something. You got low self-esteem or something?
I say that. I think I'm a solid 6, 7. I'm not too hyped about my
Hell
looks.
no. You lying, bro. Let me see your face, bro. You not no solid 6 or 7. You look damn near a 10, a 9, like real shit. And you got nice ass teeth. And you got piercings too. You dark skin. I like you.
Oh my god.
Yes! Yes!
You look like you too old.
I'm damn near like, I'm 21.
I'm 17.
You 17. Oh, no! No! Fuck!
Big ol' ass right there. That's a big ol' ass right there.
Damn, she had a fat ass, bro.
Get the fuck out your shit.
Hey, you fuck with me?
You fuck with me?
Shit, I'm asking you.
I'm down for whatever. Gotta tell you. How old are you?
21.
21. Oh my god. I am 32 years old.
We do not care.
Okay.
Alright, 313
Mm-hmm.
463.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Alright.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Yo.
Hello? Hey, babe.
What's up, baby?
What you doing?
Shit.
Oh, we both got our nose pierced, period.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
I ain't gonna lie, you look good as hell.
Thank you.
Hey, can I get your number?
I got you. You gotta write it fast, because I'm only gonna say it one time, and if you miss it, you don't get it, okay?
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
I said.
352
Uh-huh.
464
Mm-hmm.
7891.
Alright. What's your name?
It's Z, just Z.
Z? Alright, baby, I got you.
So how long?
Hey. Damn, who's she?
You have a nose ring?
Yeah.
What's your name? It hurt.
I can't.
Okay, how old are you?
But he's the one that you got you pregnant. No? Oh shit.
Who wants you?
Why? Why me?
Cause you look good.
Thank you.
I ain't playing. I want you, and I'm gonna have you.
Really down for you. That's cute.
You want my
That's so
Instagram?
cute.
It be hard finding the good ones.
It is.
It's They Love KALI.
You gotta hold paper and
You
pencil.
said K-A.
KALIAA.
K-A-L-Y-A.
No, KALIAA.
A-A.
Yeah.
They love Kaya? Kayla? Okay.
Kalia.
Kalia. You a Pisces?
Yeah.
You a Pisces?
Hell yeah.
Oh, Pisces and Pisces.
When's your birthday?
March 18th.
Mine's March 1st.
March 1st? That's Pisces? Oh, that is.
Huh?
Want to get to know you.
Oh, okay. You can text me.
Alright, bet. Follow me back. Shit.
Right. Tell him
Follow him back.
She's like, excuse me.
Hey. Face
There's no way out of this one. You're done.
Yo.
Yo,
Hey, where you from?
Mississippi.
Mississippi. That's how y'all be talking, Mississippi. With that country voice. Real talk, what, how old are you?
I'm 18.
18. I ain't gonna like your braces now. You look real good. You look real smooth. Real shit, though. I'm gonna get to the point with that. What's your name?
My name Jack.
Fuck no.
That's a short name or that's a real name?
That's the short name.
So what's your real name?
Jakiriana.
Okay, Jakiriana. I'm gonna stick with Jakiriana. I don't want no Jack. I want Jakiriana.
Facts.
Real talk though. Let me ask you something though. Do you think me and you look good together?
Yeah.
I think so.
Sensational.
I ain't gonna lie though. So what's the chance of me getting your Instagram though?
See, the thing, I don't have Instagram. My Instagram locked.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
It is. Damn.
I only have Snapchat. Yeah, I don't have Snapchat.
I'm gonna keep a buck with you. I don't have Snapchat. I don't use it a lot. What's the chance of me getting your number?
You can get it.
Of these playoffs. Steps, tries it again. Puts it.
That boy is good.
Jag hörde inte vad han sa. Kör maskin.
Oh my fucking god, nigga.
Lord have
Wanna hit?
Hey, put on some twerking music.
What?
I'm gonna type something real quick.
What does it say? Play at work. Does it really say song? Show again?
We didn't see. Come closer.
Okay, music.
What? Play twerk music.
It's called Fun. Sätt på Furigas.